FoxHurricane.com for the most powerful name in weather. And now, Fox 6:14 on this Thursday morning. There's a brilliant start looking over the Grand Court in that camera. But I tell you what, you're heading off to Bayshore this morning for that little daily jog. Sweaty, your points are sky high. We're in the 70s now, and it's only going to get worse too as the wind shifts to the southwest, making a very juicy air mass just in time for this upcoming weekend. Now you look at the temperatures. I got 74 in Tampa. It's 70 in Bartow, Lakeland, Brooksville, Sarasota, Bradenton, Arcadia, Sebring, all in the lower 70s, hanging on to 80 over in St. Petersburg this morning. But the challenge is we're kind of sitting out right now as the winds are slowly making that transition from the south to the southwest. When you get a southwest wind in the summertime, the overnight lows, they jump way up. The dew points are sky high, and then the rain chances are going up as well. And the way it's going to set up shop here over the next few days, you see everything out in the Gulf. That'll happen overnight, and then early in the morning, you'll see some showers